This speaker right beside me was actually designed as a piece of art. Now a brand called as Elipson Audio has been working around and trying to change the way people have been designing their speakers. Because unlike most of the speakers that we see today, which are boxy, rectangular shape, this speaker or this brand actually believes in more of a round shaped speaker. And they have a science behind all of this. Now in my today's video, we are not just going to review the speaker, but we are also going to see that how does a speaker shape really influence a good sound. But before we begin, this video is brought to you by TapAV. Confused what to buy? Struggling with what really works in your room? Or just tired of guesswork and online gimmicks? Well, at TapAV, we design, build and calibrate home cinemas and hi-fi systems crafted for your space, lifestyle and budget. Don't just take our word for it. Hear it from hundreds of happy clients. From expert guidance to flawless installation and a service that never leaves you hanging. TapAV is with you always. So next time you need anything in AV, simply tap AV. In today's world, while most of the brands are making hi-fi as well as Wi-Fi speakers in a boxy shape, you have some brands like Elipson Audio which are trying to change it. Now traditionally, the reason why boxy speakers have been the most highest selling speakers in the world is because they're easy to manufacture, they're cost efficient, and they have got a facility where you can maximize the cabinet volume. But here are some acoustical challenges that can come around in a boxy shaped speakers. The first and foremost is that they have a lot of internal standing waves. The second is that the resonance of the sound inside a boxy shaped speaker is going to be a little higher. And the third and the most important thing is that there is too much of diffraction around the edges or the corners of this cabinet. Now due to this, the tonal smoothness of the speaker will get a little affection, as well as there can be some distortion which needs to be controlled at the crossover level as well as within the acoustics inside that speaker. Now that is exactly where a brand like Elipson Audio creates a speaker called as W35 Xi. Now W35 Xi is a spherical speaker, as you can see. Now the advantages of spherical speakers is not just for the visual appearance, but they also have a lot of hidden sound benefits. Now the first and foremost is that it has got a more room filling sound, it has got a more wider dispersion compared to a regular speaker. The second advantage is that the internal resonance is way more less compared to a standard speaker. And lastly, the sound stage is just getting wider and wider, and you can definitely have a much more room filling presentation with this speaker. Now let's talk about the specifications of this speaker. Well, apart from the connectivity choices, the speaker has got an amazing power output of 350 watts delivered with a Class D amplification. The frequency response is great too. It goes all the way low up to 47 Hz, and in the high frequency bandwidth, it can go up to 22 kHz. Now I know some would say that, can I connect a extra subwoofer to make it more like a party speaker? Well, unfortunately, you have only got the aux connection and the optical connection, and there is no subwoofer port. So you cannot connect a subwoofer to the speaker, but if you want more sound, you can definitely add more speakers. It acts like a multi-room audio speaker as well, and you can daisy chain almost 10 speakers with one. So that is how you can use the speaker. It has got two 6.5 inches driver and two silk dome tweeters which are 1 inches each, which covers up the 350 watts of power output. Now apart from this, if you have got any queries on the speaker specs, feel free to put them down in the comments below. Today, audio is no longer just about having one sweet spot. You need audio in each and every corner. You want the audio to flow around the space just like you would roam around in your house. Now that is exactly where a W35 Xi can fit in well. Because if you want to wake up listening to music, if you want to have great reading sessions, some nice evening playlist, and you want to do effortless and mindlessly scrolling of music, then the W35 Xi can be a great partner. It is not the audiophile stereo speaker, but it is definitely an elegant lifestyle hi-fi speaker which still caters to high-res audio and supports all the forms of Wi-Fi and wireless streaming. The only area where I would say this has a little problem is that it does not have a support with any of the modern day voice assistant devices. Now I'm pretty sure that this can be a drawback of the current generation, but the next generation from Elipson Audio will definitely take care of it, because today Alexa and Google Chromecast have become part of our life and of our home. Now, before you test the speakers, let me warn you. The kind of genres that you would really love enjoying on these speakers are going to be acoustic, they are going to be vocals, they are going to be jazz, they are going to be nice countryside music. So if you are anything around this as your preferred genre for music, then this speaker for a price point of 1,39,900 rupees with the stand is definitely worth considering. Also, if you are designing, aesthetic focused interiors, it can be in your living rooms or the drawing rooms, then this can be one speaker which you can use. You can even buy two of those to create a nice stereo system. And for those of you who do not want to have a TV in your bedroom, but you definitely want to have a nice speaker system, you can again think of the Elipson W35 Xi for your bedrooms. Now, enjoy the music, and if you want to buy these speakers, don't forget to reach out to us here at tapav.com. And if you want more snippets about this product with some interactions, don't forget to check out our WhatsApp community. Thank you so much for watching. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.
One bud in your ear, one bud in mine. Cheap little chord, crossed up just fine. You lean in close, I miss half the words, but your laugh hits hard, right through the blur. My phone glows cold in my palm, 14 names, no one near. I watch the blue dot move like it knows I'm here. My brother sent a voice note, I left it unread. 3 typing dots on the screen, then nothing instead. And I laughed to the glass. I kept my name on the door, even when it shook in the frame. My hands were tired and torn, but I said it anyway. You can hear me down the hall when I step into the light. I don't fade into the wall, I came here to survive. So if you want